Hi, welcome back to Mama Jasmine's Food Journey. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, I want to say welcome. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below so you get notified anytime I upload. Now, if this is not your first time on the channel, I want to say welcome back again. Welcome back again. Oh, welcome back again. Welcome back again. And this is part 2 of the freezer prep meals. And I decided to do three recipes. I like to work at nights as well. I'm a huge night owl, as I mentioned in the previous video. I want to make sure we're looking at right here. And I love to close. I don't know why. When people are asleep, I'm the most awake. But my husband is the morning person. So he has those shifts in the mornings and gets out earlier than I do, of course, and he is starving, and I feel bad when he doesn't have anything here that's really an easy thing. Like, I can be like, here, make this chicken, make this, but I mean, he doesn't cook. I cook. That's the whole reason. I mean, your girl's got it because again, I feel that belly. But so I make sure to get him some meals that, you know, that are easy, can just microwave, can just put in a crock pot, or just can put in the oven. It's just no fuss. So I made 3 of our favorite recipes that are really freezer friendly, and gonna go from there. Some of these recipes I've previously done in videos, so I'm gonna link them as we go along the video, but I want to bring you along on the journey of what I do to prepare us for the work week. So for this recipe, it's very simple. It's 3 ingredients. You really can't go wrong with this one. I got this idea from one of my peers at work, and I've been in love with it ever since. So it's chicken fajitas or chicken tacos. You can use them for nachos, chicken fajitas, or burritos. You're gonna go ahead and put about 2 pounds of the boneless, skinless chicken breasts in the bag. On top of that, you're gonna do the fajita seasoning mix, and you are also gonna do 1 container of the salsa. I did medium because I think that the heat is really nice. And of course, you're gonna finish it with lime once it's done cooking. What you're gonna do is you are going to make sure you seal all the air out of this bag, and you're gonna mesh together all of the salsa and the seasonings all together. So you're gonna kind of wrinkle the bag around, crinkle, do your thing. Now you might be wondering why I didn't use the original bag the chicken came in. The reason why is because I wanted the date to be on there, and also saving space purposes. So that's what I did. This one is one of our favorite recipes. I'm gonna go ahead and link right now, boop, the recipe for it. It is the sloppy joes. For both the sloppy joes and the spaghetti, I use ground turkey instead of ground beef, but you can also use ground beef, ground chicken, whatever you have available, or whatever, you know, you're currently eating. If you don't eat beef, go from there. And both of these recipes I finished cooking about 30-45 minutes ago, so that retains quite a bit of heat. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze as much air as possible out safely and get it completely flat. What you want to do is you want to immediately throw it in the freezer. Now, if you are like me and you have 2 different freezers, you are going to put one of the recipes in one freezer and the other recipe in the other freezer, so then the other food doesn't defrost. Or you can chill it in the fridge and then move it to the freezer if you don't have 2 freezers. Now, this is my famous mom and dad spaghetti sauce. It's from after both my parents. And again, you're going to squeeze as much air out of this as possible to get it nice and flat. And this contains 3 meats, so it's a 3 meat sauce. This is linked right here, so you can go ahead and do the recipe yourself, or you can do your own family's recipe of spaghetti sauce. It is your choice. Let's be honest, there is no cute way to make meal prepping look good, but here it is. So these are 3 of our favorite recipes. This one will just go in the crock pot either for 3 hours or for 6 hours. These ones can both just be microwaved when we're ready. This is served with, I do crispy, like ruffled potato chips or Lay's, And this one I do over spaghetti noodles. But for tonight, because I'm having the other half, for dinner, we are actually going to be using, let me get them out for you, get them out for you, get them out for you, veggie spirals. So we're going to be serving these over the veggie spirals with zucchini for tonight's dinner. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you want any more meal prep ideas or just, you know, just toss around some dinner, breakfast, lunch ideas, hit your girl up in the comments below. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and click on the box next to me. If you haven't already subscribed and this is your first time to the channel, the little logo down there, you go ahead and click on that and you're a part of the team. Now, see you in the next video. Bye!